Introducing Illumi. Illumi Ultra Short Throw LED Projector has the world's shortest throw rate, giving you 4K Ultra High Definition image up to mind-blowing 150-inch huge display. Illumi 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector has the ultimate wide-angle lens, letting you place it just 4.3 inches from the wall and filling a screen as large as 100 inches, so close to the wall that nothing can come between. You can say goodbye to annoying interruptions of shadow. Illumi Projector takes the lead in the industry by boasting the shortest throw rate of 0.2 to 1, while the standard among competitors ranges from 1.5 to 1.9 to 1. Illumi bring the vivid, true colors you see every day to life by ensuring that the color brightness matches the white light brightness in lumens. With the help of high dynamic range imaging technology and 8.3 million pixels deliver awe-inspiring image quality with crisply defined details and incredible clarity. Denoising, gamma correction, color calibration, and enhanced color gamut coverage have been applied in Illumi to emit a picture that's bright, detailed, and color accurate. Illumi creates hi-fi stereo audio which is as good as 5.1 surround sound system, giving you an immersive experience when you enjoy films, games, and sporting events. Better than the blue light exposure from traditional LCD screen which could hurt your eyes. You receive soft, natural, and healthy reflected light from Illumi which won't strain your eyes even when binge watching. Illumi has 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, built-in Wi-Fi capability, and Ethernet input, so it is universally compatible. Illumi. Watch the world in a new way.
Imagine watching all your favorite movies in a cinema system you can hold in your hand. Introducing the Cinego. Enjoy your favorite movies and clips on an Ultra HD display from the comfort of not just the living room, but any room in the house. A personal cinema with a virtual 800-inch screen placed 66 feet from your eyes. Built for Ultra HD, 3D, and virtual reality playbacks. It's specially designed to protect your eyes and give you the greatest comfort.
Hi, I'm Johnny Pong. I'm the team head behind the Govies. We worked for the past 10 years to create the lightest, most compact headset ever. Our goal is to bring the IMAX experience to everyone, everywhere.
Have a video chat with your friends, or connect to your favorite streaming like Netflix or YouTube. The Cinego has it all. Simple to navigate and easy to use. It lets you control everything without even looking at the remote. Compatible with any HDMI device. Plug in your devices from PlayStation to Nintendo Switch to be fully immersed in your most beloved games.
If you think that everyone should have access to a personal portable IMAX theater, then support us at Indiegogo today.
You can even connect wirelessly to your drones, whether airborne or aquatic, like the Gladius submersible drone to see directly out of their eyes. It's extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to bring along with you no matter where you go.
Great news. I'm really happy to hear that.
And its long battery life ensures you won't miss the end of any movies you may be watching.
By supporting us on Indiegogo, you will be at the forefront of the VR revolution. So, back us now!
It's time to experience immersion with the most advanced personal cinema. Cinego, your personal Ultra HD headset.
This is the Alpha 3, the innovative 4K camera that's going to change the way you shoot action video forever. Alpha 3 is the world's first action camera that features a 180-degree flip touchscreen. With the built-in Sony IMX577 image sensor, Alpha 3 provides next-level digital overlap HDR that keeps the picture looking good even in the worst conditions. And unlike GoPro Hero 7, Alpha 3 enables you to shoot video in HDR mode at up to 4K 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother and sharper videos with unmatched high quality. Powered by the revolutionary Ambarella H22 quad-core image processor, Alpha 3's gimbal-like stabilization is steady like a rock. And unlike the DJI Osmo Action, Alpha 3 allows for simultaneous stabilization while in HDR mode. So for the first time in the industry, you can get stable 4K video with improved HDR image quality whenever and wherever you need it. With the 240 frames per second resolution available for 8x super slow motion mode, you can capture every photo finish and every single drop of sweat all in full 1080p. Alpha 3 even provides distortion correction on video shot at a regular angle, up to 4K 30 frames per second without any unwanted fisheye effect. It is also the only action camera that includes a unique mounting adapter so you can shoot with 3x telescope, macro, or any other 37mm. And if you need to get a little wet, MochaCam Alpha 3 Pro allows you to shoot up to 3 meters or up to 60 meters by attaching the waterproof case. So this is it, the most advanced action camera that has revolutionized the industry. Get your Alpha 3 today and be the first to experience this one-of-a-kind.